Guys, if there is no more blessing for you, will you still love God and trust Him and obey Him? This was the test. Was Abraham's desire for the Lord, or was it simply for what he could get? Remember, at 133 years old, he was already at the tail end of his life, his sunset years. God was asking him to give up everything he had prayed for and believed God for, to go back to square one. Go back to nothing. Will you be satisfied by love alone? I mean, just a love relationship with God and nothing else. Will you still follow Him and live for God, even if there is no blessings or benefits